Hey friends, hope you're doing fine. Now today I'd like to give you an introduction to Web Plot Digitizer, which is an absolutely great tool. And you can actually use it for free if you want. So what is this tool all about? What does it do? Well, let's assume you have found a very interesting chart on the internet, for instance, and then what you need is basically the data, the underlying data of the chart. However, all you can do is extract the image. You don't have access to the underlying data. You can't extract it via CSV, via Excel, or whatever kind of extraction tool you want to use. So what to do? Well, you could go to Web Plot Digitizer here, to this, search this on the internet, and then you can launch the tool directly on this website. You can specify here the language. Currently it's English, French, German, and also simplified Chinese. So you select what you need and then go to Launch Now. And if you do this, then you just need to wait until the window opens. Here it is. And it gives you here already a preview of what the data could look like. And what you can do now is simply import your own image. So I already prepared something. So I can go to File, go to Load Image, and then I can choose just simply a stock chart of the German stock index. And then you choose here what kind of plot type is it. In this case, it's a 2D with XY coordinates. That's totally fine. But of course, if you have something different, you can also choose it from here. Then I click on Align Axis. And then it needs 4 specific data points from us. So we need to click twice on the X-axis and twice on the Y-axis and need to feed it with some values for that. But that's quite easy. So let's click on Proceed. And then if I take a look at the chart itself, or at this image here, I can easily say, okay, here for instance is the 15th of October in 2021. So I can simply click there. And here for instance is the 4th of December in 2021. So I can take this option here as well. And then I do the same for the Y-axis. Well, here is 15,000, exactly there. I can click here. And up there's 16,000. So I can click this option here as well. Click on the axis in here. And then I have specified my points. So x1, x2, and y1, y2. So now I'm good to go. And I can simply go to complete here and click on complete. And then I need to specify, okay, exactly where did I click? So the tool needs at least to know, okay, what kind of data I'm dealing with here, right? So you could easily say, okay, for dates, it's specified here. We need to specify first the year, then a slash, then the month, then a slash, and then the day. So specifying 2021 slash 10th slash, in this case, 15. And the second x-axis is 2021 slash November, and then here 04. Okay? And then for the y-axis, I can click here and simply say the first data point was 15,000, and the second data point here was 16,000. So I can also enter the values here, and then I can also take the log scale if it would be a logarithmic scale, but that's not the case, so I leave that blank. And also you can try out this option here, assume axes are perfectly aligned. I skip this for now, I simply click OK. And if I do this, then now I have the option here to either manually extract points, or what I want to do is simply use automatic extraction. So I don't want to handle this either manual way, I just want to have the data. So then you can click on color here, click on color, and then you see that these are the dominant colors, so basically the colors which the tool has identified. And because we want to have the blue line, which is this blue here, I can simply click it, and then I click on done. And now the last thing I need to do is actually click on the run button. You can try out here playing around with the distance if you want to do that. For me now, I simply try it out directly. I click on run. And now you see the red points here. This is everything the tool has now recognized and also given values for that. And if you say, that's totally fine, this is exactly what I need, then the final thing you need to do is simply go to view data. So if you click on view data here, then you see that here is the actual data set. So it specifies here, in this case, the year, month and day, and also the specific value attached to it in here. And then you can either copy this to your clipboard and then paste it somewhere else, or you can download it as a CSV file to use it somewhere else, or you can also show it in graph in Plotly. If you click this, then another window appears in the browser, and then you can also visualize the chart in Plotly if you want. But that's how easy it is actually to export the data from an image. So in the past, I had this issue before when I want to actually, recreate a plot, but I had not the underlying data, and that was quite, unfortunate because I was not able to extract it in any way. But now this tool is available and I'm aware of it, and now you are too. So hopefully that was helpful for you, and hopefully you can use this. If so, then please consider subscribing, also support the channel, and like the video, share the video, and of course, above all, stay healthy. So hopefully see you in the next video. Until then, best guys.